So here I got a impact socket set pickup. So this here is a 3/8 drive. It's the pinless from Astro. It is the SAE. I just wanted to replace the Harbor Freight set that I got, so might as well pick up Astro. I really like their stuff. And these are Sonic's tools. This is the metric version, the deep 3/8 drive, and they are pinned. And this is the SAE version. It's a 7-piece set, and this is a 10-piece set. I don't have any of the deeps, and they come in really handy for those situations where the fastener's longer, or the nut is further in, you know, from the bolt and all that, whatever. Just nice to have. And this is a swivel impact from Tekton. This is a 1/2-inch drive. I was looking online, there wasn't that much to choose from for 1/2-inch deep swivels, so I just picked this up, even though I do have a Harbor Freight one. This is a pinless, so I figured this will hold up a lot bit, you know, better. So that wasn't that much at all. Well, yeah, let's check these out. Of course, my allergies are still acting up, so don't mind my sniffling. There's the product number. I like that these come on a really decent rail. It's not magnetic or anything, but it is very nice. Hold on, easy enough to get on and off. Like I was saying, these are the pinless versions. So definitely think they could take more abuse than the pins. But they're not stamped, but they are labeled on the head and as well as the body. And they got the part numbers on the back. Not exactly sure how much these were, but they weren't bad. Let's check this out. Like I was saying, this is Tekton brand. There's the 1/2-inch. You can see the part number right there. But yeah, I like the fact that it's pinless. So this might be all I need instead of getting the whole set of deeps for the 1/2-inch. So we'll see. I don't know if you guys saw it, there's a part number there. It's come in a decent little case. I mean, there's no like hinges or anything, it's just plastic mold, but I'm not sure if I'll cut the top off, put them on rails, you know, just leave them in like this, whatever. But yeah, these are nice. These go from 3/8 all the way to 3/4. They are made in Taiwan. And it is also stamped on the head as well. Yeah, as you can see, these are the pin version. We got 7/16. We got 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and a 3/4. Yeah, definitely happy with these. Alright, let's check out the metrics. Part number. Same deal, same type of case. This comes with 10 through 19 with no skips. Yeah, depots definitely do come in handy, like working on the exhaust. I used the 1/2 inch, but I did use the adapter like this as well. There are online, there's like Gear Wrench, and I believe Sunix does offer the 1/2 inch in the deeps, but they're just a little pricey, so I just held off on them for now. But maybe eventually, I don't know. Might be able to just get away with throwing deep on this. And just see how much bigger the 1/2 inch is. That is just a lot larger. So you save space when you actually just get the swivel or the universals, whatever you want to call it. Hold on, let me grab something. So here I got an Astro 1/2 inch drive, and you know, compared to the swivel, you can see how much you actually save. You put a socket on there, that's going to come out to about here. So it is nice to have the actual universals, but if you're using a 1/2 inch, you should be able to have some space to get it in there. Yeah, the Astros are really nice. They're the pinless as well. But yeah, I'm not sure how I'm going to set this up. If I'm going to keep them in the box, or like I said, throw them on a rail. See how much space I got. But yeah, these look really good. I'm happy. Alright, so here I got a couple of pliers that I picked up, and it's my first of this brand. So it's band pliers. These are 7-inch slip joints. They're good for you know, the rusted or rounded fasteners, little screws and whatnot. But they are made in Japan, and there's the part number. Well, I hear good things about these. The quality seems really good on them. As you can see, bite down on that, it's going to grab it some way. Yeah, definitely seems like good quality. Yeah, those weren't too bad. I think those were like 25 to 30 bucks for that. But yeah, nice set of pliers. Always good to have. And here I got some SK pliers, the 10-inch and the 6-inch. These are the product number 7210, and these are the 7206. But pretty basic slip joints. I only have like I think one other ones that are like some cheap Stanleys, but so I figured I'd go with these. You know, obviously SK's American made. Definitely a high quality on these, that's for sure. Yeah, no kind of defects. Yeah. The molding, the rubber molding is very nice on it as well. And, yeah, these should last me a long time. Same thing with the smaller ones. Very good. Teeth are very nice on it. Yeah. No issues with these.